In this video, I will show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11 so your PC starts up faster and runs smoother. To do this from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type Settings, and then open up Settings underneath Best Match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Apps. And in the app section, you want to look for Startup. So you can see that's just here. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this where you can find all your current startup apps and programs. So you're going to see some are turned on, which are the ones that are set to start up when your PC or laptop starts up, which can slow down your PC startup time. So of course, by turning these off, you're going to speed up your PC and just make it a lot more smoother. So what I would recommend doing is going through the list and just turning off the ones that you don't really use. So for example, I've got this brightness control widget extension thing, and I'm just going to go and turn this off. All you want to do is go through the list and just repeat this, and you can do this for all the apps or just keep the ones that you use most often. So for example, Microsoft Edge I don't use as I use Google Chrome, so I'm going to turn this one off. But Proton VPN I do use from time to time, so I'm going to keep that turned on so it starts up straight away when my computer starts. So that is how to disable startup programs in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.